Friends, Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and you will sorry to the video. Friends, I will share you some amazing and stylish button crafts ideas. So friends, let's start today video. So friends, friends, today we are exploring the creative and colorful world of button crafts. Button are simple, small items that we usually use to cloth, but did you know that they can be turned into beautiful art and decoration? Button crafts are fun, easy, and powerful. Always they allow you creative, unique decoration, jewelry, home decoration, or even gifts using button creativity and viewers. And friends, why button crafts are special? Button come in different colors, size, and shape. They are safe and easy to find. Button crafts cover minimal materials. They are great for creative design and color. Button can be reused, making crafts and friendly. Even all buttons from used cloth can get a new life in creative materials. You will need to start button crafts. You will need the collection of button in different sizes and colors, glue, hot glue, or craft glue, scissors, needle, base item for decoration, cardboard, fabric, wood, paints, beads, or ribbon. With these simple materials, you can make endless creative project. Button wallet, one of the most popular button craft is button wallet. Choose a design, flower, heart, tree patterns, arrange button on a canvas or cardboard. Glue them carefully to match your design and reverse. Friends, and viewers, button wallet add colors to any playful touch to any room. Button jewelry, button can be transformed into beautiful and unique jewelry. Make earrings using small colorful buttons and creative bracelet by buttons on gold. Decorate necklaces with layer buttons. So friends, allow